If it's early and you're still looking to plant something, here's something you can plant now. Peas. They can go in when the soil is still quite cool, even down as low as 40, 45 degrees. They're a cool season crop. Let's check the temperature and see where we're at. The soil's workable. It's not frozen or muddy. Let's check the temperature. So we're even above where we need to be to start planting peas. When planting peas, they need to be about 1 inch to 2 inches deep. A lot of people will make a furrow and plant the seeds along and then cover them up. But that's not how I do it. Since my first knuckle is about 1 inch, I take the seeds and I press them down and it's done. And I can work my way down. I've got about 6.5 feet, planting every 4 inches or so. I'll get about 20 seeds in this. And I've already got the trellis set up, and that'll give them a place to climb. Okay, they're all planted. Now, you'll see some people give advice that says that they soak them overnight. And that can give them a little bit of a head start, but it's at most 2 or 3 days difference, which doesn't make much difference to me. And normally I would water these in after I'm done covering them up, but we're expected to get rain over the next couple days, so I'm going to let Mother Nature take care of it. Now these peas will take about a week or two to germinate, so that gives me a little bit of time to build some rabbit guards, because I know from experience there's few things that rabbits like better than fresh pea shoots. So if your soil is workable, don't wait. Plant some peas.